Hi guys, thanks for being my channel. In this video, teaching input function. Okay, how to get the input from the user. Wait, I teach you. Okay, this is the scanner class. Use the scanner class. Okay, first you scanner class take the input from the why use the scanner class. Use the scanner class. Use the take the input from the user. Okay, and where can access the scanner class. It is a part of the java util package. We need to import the first import the java util package. Okay, what is syntax? Import java util scanner. Okay, this import the your compiler. Okay, next I compile it. Next okay, first import the scanner class. Okay, next how to create a object first. Okay, first create a scanner object. Okay, first you create a scanner class. Okay, next what is the sc? It is any variables you can get. You can give any variable like um, any name. Okay, new means what is a new keyword? New keyword is allocate the new memory. Okay, can I miss object? New object create for the new memory. New object allocate the new memory. Okay, system in means keyboard. System in means standard input. Okay, it is the refer to usually in the keyboard. Okay, what is the you give the input, it is stored in the system. Okay, now I explain every line. Okay, wait. First, scanner class the use to read. Why is scanner is a scanner class used to read the input from the user. Okay, like numbers or text, float, double, etc. It is a part of the util package, java util package. You must import it. Okay, import the java import java util package scanner. Okay, next, yeah, I already told variable. Sc means variable. You can any name you give variable, creating variable. Okay, next, what is the new scanner? New means create a new object for the class, like the new memory. Okay, new object create for the scanner class. Okay, it is allocate the new memory separate phase. What is a system in? Refer to standard input, usually the keyboard. Okay, next, how to get a input integer. First you give the data type and variable scanner class is sc. You name I already give sc. You give ac. And next, why means next, give the next means next int. You give the next integer, input the next integer. Okay, you give the input from the user integer. It is the input from the integer. This line is string is input from the user string. Next line. Okay, now I teach you how to that run the compiler. Okay, I give the full screen. First step is what? First step is import the util scanner package. Okay, import java util scanner. Okay, now import the java util package. Next, what to do? Create a object scanner. You give any name like sc or any name. Allocate the new. First create the new memory for the object scanner. Next, system.in. Now create a object for the sc variable. You can give any name like mm, object obj object, any name you give. Next, I input from the user integer. Okay, first integer, i I input from my age. Okay, age, wait, age, what is give first object name, first object name give obj dot next integer. Okay, it is the input from the user. Okay, next I print it. Age. Okay, now print it. Okay, wait. Okay, now print the age. Okay, run the input. Now input give my age is 20, is 20. Wait, okay, wait. Okay, next input from the user. First enter the your age. Okay, now run. Enter your age. My age is 20, your age is 20. Okay, now age is print. Next, what is how to get a input string. Okay, now remove it. Next, string name to obj dot new line. String input is new line. Okay, give is new name, your name. Name, enter your name. Okay, now and the input. Wait a minute, sorry, I not new line, next line. Okay, enter your name. My name is Arjun, your name is Arjun. Okay, how to get the input from the user string, this is the answer. Okay, next, how to get the input double or float. First float. Obj dot new next float. Okay, my mark, enter your mark. Okay, next I run it. Wait a minute, the mark, print the mark. Okay, enter the mark. My mark is 9.8. Print your mark is 9.8. Is way to input from the user. Okay. Now one exception here I teach you. First I input from the user my age. Okay. Next I input from the use. I input my age. Okay. Okay. I input the my age. Okay. Next I input the my name. Okay. What next? Next enter, input the my name string name obj dot next line. Okay. What next? Next I print it. My my age is plus age. Next system dot out dot print my name is plus name. Okay. Now what is the output? We think error. Now I click the run. Now enter the age. My age is 20. What next? Okay. Now okay. Enter your age. My age is 20. Next, not enter the my name. One skip the name. First you input the integer. You consider the next you input the any string or double any input after the first input the integer. Next whatever the you can input the from the user, you did not print it, you skip the new line. Okay, you first enter the age, next skip the string, you skip the string. Okay, avoid it, only print the age. What is do this solution is object dot next line, print it after run. Why I give the next obj next line? First you give the next, you give the input integer. Next line is give the any from use of from the input like a string or a double. Either skip integer, skip the next line. Okay, not skip the, now you do the not skip, you must import the obj next line. Okay, file name, not object name, and next line. Okay, you must print that. Next run. Enter your age. My age is 20. Next enter your name Arjun. Now my age is 20. Next my name is Arjun. Okay, it is enough. Okay, now clearly understood. It is the input function.